After 8 years of monthly pastel painting lessons online, here's what hasn't changed: the price. The most amazing value in online pastel education, still at the same affordable rate with flexible payment options. The best way to join is annually. You get everything every year and every month unlocked the moment you sign up. And right now, annual members also receive an early access to my 16 Skies course and a seat at a full-day live Zoom workshop. Bonuses available only during the summer sale. Prefer to go to slower pace? You can also join monthly and follow a sequential path, starting at month 1 and unlocking that month's lessons from all 8 years at once, then month 2 and onward through the whole library. Either way, you're covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Nothing to lose and a whole world of painting to gain. Start your artistic adventure today.